Right, here we go. Easiest and cheapest way to clean your toilet. Look at that, you've got a mucky toilet. You need a quick, simple solution. Buy yourself one of these. This is a 30p, 30p bottle of malt vinegar. You can buy it in most shops. Just pop that cap, you pour half of it down your toilet. And we're going to leave this overnight. Longer if possible. As long as you can leave it, the better. There we go, shutting it, leaving it overnight, coming back to it in the morning. It should look like that. Looks a bit horrible, looks like someone's left something. But just flush it away. Nice and clean. Now we just pan in, have a quick look, grab your loo brush for any extra bits that are a bit stubborn. And there we have it. A toilet fit for the Queen. Easy, no problem. Cheers, guys.